Alright, we're gonna go all the way down
Go,
to
go, go.
that side.
To the end.
Over there in just 1 second.
Keep walking straight. All the way to the end. Keep walking.
Alright guys, we're gonna sit along this wall right here.
Go, 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 sit.
You want a life jacket? You can go get him one? Yeah. Anyone else need a life jacket? You ready? This side. Good job! You little pro. Good job! Awesome. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good. Good job. You are such a pro. You're so good. You did that. Ready? Good job. All right, you ready to do your back one? And our back. Perfect. Good. All right. Come here, turtle. Perfect. What are our turtles' names, guys? What are we naming them? Turtle. Yours is Turtle. What about you? Rocky? Okay, what about you? Ryan? What are you going to name your turtle? What's your favorite color? Purple? Yellow? Yellow. Okay, your turtle's name is going to be Yellow, okay? All right, good plan. So, we are going to do our fun rockets. We're going to start behind us, okay? We're going to hold on to the wall like this. We're going to have both feet on the wall. We're going to give a big push forward, and we're going to make our turtles, okay? You like this? You've done this? Perfect. All right, you guys ready? All right, you're up first. Ready? Hold on to the wall behind you. Hold on. I know. I'm going to hold on to you so that you can hold on to the wall, okay? I will never let go, I promise. Ready? There you go. Okay, ready? Feet on the wall. Okay, we're going to give a big push forward, and you're going to be a rocket. Ready? And go! Make your turtle. Make your turtle. Make your turtle. Okay. Put your hands together. Put them together. Make your turtle. Good job. You're so funny. Alright, ready? Put your hands on the wall behind you.
Hands up.
Hey, are you
Good hands up.
3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job. Put your legs out behind you. Good job. Hold on to the wall. All right, put your feet up on the wall. So you ready to do your rocket? 1, 2, 3. Blast off! Good job. Put your arms above your head. Show me your chin. Good job. Good job, good job. Got it. And up we go. Good job! So good! Ready? This one. Oh, good job. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good. Good. Okay, ready? Now we're gonna go small. Big arm. Big arm. Alright. I mean, you know, they were having, but still, you just, sorry, prepare. Right. Good job, back to the wall. Hey there. Go to the back. Get back. And go. Good job. All right. You ready to do your jump? You want me to catch you? I'm sure. I'll win. Woo! Yay! Alright, you want me to catch you? Okay. Go to the back. Ready? Go.
We'll go to the play area, okay? Just wait here. Go, 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 Icha.
Yay! Good job! You still have to leave him. So I'm gonna have to put her back, but she's so cute! You're so cute! Yeah. Good. You wanna go to mom?